don't want to do this. You don't want to do this. I got a male, Hispanic male. He's got the gun to his neck, and he is now walking southbound towards the next block from Burlingame. I'm staying back at a distance, have other units come in from the south to the north. He still has the weapon. Now we want Business Park Drive and Coca-Cola Place. We're making a left. Put the gun down! Just put the gun down!
Was he walking towards the frontage road?
Yeah, 10-4. Bring me up a unit coming from south to north on the frontage road. Keep everybody away. I have people, pedestrians, on the Coca-Cola. You sure? I can't.
He does not have it.
One U1 PT7.
Okay, never mind.
Arizona Pavilion.
Alright, one round just went out into the sky. It's definitely unlocked now. It's definitely loaded. Have units be prepared.
Kidboard, is the subject shooting or did you shoot?
Negative, it did not shoot. Unit right there, just stand off, stand off. The gun is loaded. Unit on Cortero Farm, stay off. Oh! Jesus Christ, man down.
435, Norfolk. 1, he's down. Guard meds. All officers are okay.
Nine oh five.
Call meds quickly, please.
905.
Location.
Self-storage office, direct across from Coca-Cola Place. 5650.
One, you can have them there to move in.
906, not very now.
435. You can clear the air for us. All the officers are code 4. We'll need an officer to block